See, man, we got the Outlander.
What is up, guys?
We got the Outlander.
So today I'm gonna try to install a Mitsubishi Outlander side stepper.
Got what you need, baby.
So I bought this from Easy Buy and it has just arrived recently. Trying to fix this myself without having to waste money on going to the workshop, and we'll see how it goes. Here is the package. Included are two side steps, mounting bracket, pack of bolts and nuts. I don't know what is written here, and I'm not too sure what is here. There is definitely no manual. Alright guys, so let's get to work. As you can see, my Outlander 2020, there's a side skirt. Some of you guys do not have this. Some of your car should have this. To install the side step, we need to first open the side skirt. Push button in front. So in front there's a push button fastener here, so you just need to open this first. At the back there is one screw here, so continue to open this screw. There are 3 more screws underneath the side skirt that you need to remove. First one, second one, and the third one in front. Okay, so I've removed all the side skirt mounting screws and push buttons and all the brackets holding the side skirt. So now it's time to peel the side skirt off. So I'm working my way from the rear door. So you just need to open the rear door. And this is a little bit tricky. So the side skirt, as you can see, it's been held by a double side tape all along the stretch on top here. So you just need to slowly peel the thing out. You see, I'm slowly peeling it out, and it's slowly going to be exposed. Slowly peeling it out, and there you go. So here's the side skirt. Put it in one side. Okay, there are 3 brackets given to each side for the car mounting points. So 2 are the long ones and 1 is the shorter ones. So underneath the car now, as you can see, the metal frame of the car below consists of several holes. This is towards the front of the car. There are several holes that can be used to mount the side step bracket. I'm going to use the first hole towards the front of the car frame, nearest to the front wheels. So I'm going to use this nut here and insert the tip. Once you insert, you twist it so that it won't come out. It will be there. Okay, it's easy. Okay, so once you insert the nut here, position your bracket. And slowly wiggle your way. And after that, use the washer and the nut given and screw the bolt in. Yeah. Make sure it is flushed. So this is how it's gonna look like. Oops, sorry. Yeah. from the outside. Alright, so I've installed the first bracket. So to make it more secure, the kit comes with additional bracket. If you can see, there's a slight angle towards it, and if you can see below, at the car frame, there is it's like some kind of a space here. So what basically this bracket do is actually to, you know, reinforce this particular bracket from falling down. Just install it behind here. So you can see behind here, just let it hang there to support the other bracket, and use a bolt to secure both brackets together. For this bracket, just put behind this and let it rest. Put it in together, and with the nut behind, secure it at the other side. So don't forget to tighten the nut below. Okay, so I've secured the bracket so your stepper could easily be stepped on without the worry of collapsing. Okay, the first has been installed. The second is quite the same. You can just choose the hole that is nearest to the center of the first and the last one. So there's a lot of holes to choose below, so you can do it. I do not need to show you this, but I'm going to show you the last bracket here. So for the last bracket, the hole is slightly different. Okay, it's slightly shorter. It's because you are going to use the hole over here. Okay, it's nearest to the fuel tank. This is the fuel tank. Alright, so that is why you need to use a smaller one. Okay, so the same like the first one, you just insert the screw into the hole and twist it. Okay, so when you twist it, it will leave the screw hanging. And use the gold color nut to secure everything. This side, so later don't forget to tighten this. And here is how it's going to look like from the outside. For this piece, make sure you stuck it between the plastic and the metal body. Okay, so for all brackets, please use the supporting bracket to make sure that this thing does not collapse. Alright, okay, hook the small bracket behind the metal body. Use the screw and the nut to hold both brackets together. Okay, same goes to the other side. So I've installed the 3 brackets. Okay, so let's check again. The first bracket, I've installed it at the front, first hole towards the front of the car. And the second bracket, I've installed at the first, second, fourth hole, which is in the middle of the car. And the final small bracket, I've used this hole which is, there's only one of it just beside the fuel tank. Alright, here is the side step. Let's take it out. So, but before that, you just need to remove the screws underneath the side step, so you can position the nuts to the length of the bracket, and after which you install the screws from below and you screw it in to the side step. Okay. Just rest the stepper onto the bracket and push it in. Okay. Okay, so now and we've already rest the side stepper onto the bracket, and now you need to align the nut below and use the screw to secure the side stepper. So the side step has been installed, and here is how it looks like. This is for the left side of the car. And this is for the right side of the car. As for the double side tape, unfortunately I have to remove it slowly, so I'll just do this slowly at my own time.
Outlander. We got the Outlander Sport. What else? Mirage G4s. We got what you need, baby. 5 Mills Mitsubishi.
I've installed the Mitsubishi Outlander 2020 side step that I've bought from Easy Buy. Took me about 3 weeks shipping to Singapore. Cost me probably about, I think, if I'm not wrong, about $90 to about $100. So it's quite easy. You can do this by yourself, and you save probably about $60 to $80, and it will take you maybe about half an hour. Yep. So good luck trying, and I'll see you guys again.
Mitsubishi.